The Ram 1500, a flagship truck model, is crafted in state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities like Sterling Heights, Michigan. The Ram 1500 is built at the Sterling Heights assembly plant in Sterling Heights, Michigan. This massive facility is over 5 million square feet in size, making it one of the largest and most advanced automotive factories in the world. Inside, the plant combines cutting-edge robotics with the expertise of skilled workers. Robots handle tasks like welding and painting with incredible accuracy, while humans oversee the details and make sure everything is done to perfection. The factory is also focused on being eco-friendly. The plant also leads to environmental responsibility. Its new body shop earned the prestigious LEED Gold Green Building System certification in July 2015, meeting the highest environmental standards. This recognition highlights the factory's commitment to recycling, waste reduction, and energy efficiency, proving that advanced manufacturing can be sustainable too. The production of the Ram 1500 begins in the body shop. This is where the truck's foundation is built with precision and care. The vehicle assembly process starts with coils of high-strength steel and aluminum delivered to the production facility. These materials, chosen for their durability and ability to handle heavy loads, are the key to the Ram 1500's strength and safety. In the body shop, the steel and aluminum coils are fed into heavy-duty stamping machines, which shape the raw materials into body panels and components that form the truck's structure. Laser-guided systems then take over to ensure each piece is cut with exact specifications. The frame is welded together using over 1,100 advanced robots. These robots work with incredible speed and accuracy, performing each weld perfectly and consistently. Human technicians inspect each frame at every stage of production, ensuring it meets the strict requirements necessary for a dependable and safe vehicle. After the frame is built, it moves to the paint shop. The Ram 1500 receives its sleek and durable finish through a meticulous and advanced process. The painting process begins with cleaning and preparation. The vehicle's body is meticulously cleaned and treated to remove any impurities. This is necessary to ensure the paint adheres properly to the surface. Once prepared, a primer coat is applied to help the paint stick to the metal and act as a protective layer to prevent corrosion and enhance the truck's overall durability. Next, high-quality paint is robotically sprayed onto the body for even coverage and a flawless finish. After the base coat is applied, a clear coat is added. To complete the process, the painted body undergoes curing. It is placed in specialized ovens where heat treatment hardens the paint, ensuring a durable and long-lasting finish. Beyond aesthetics, the paint plays a vital role in protecting the Ram 1500 from corrosion and the harsh effects of tough jobs and varying weather conditions. The paint shop also emphasizes environmental responsibility. Water-based paints are used to minimize harmful chemicals, and emissions are carefully controlled to reduce the factory's environmental impact. This combination of beauty, durability, and sustainability ensures the Ram 1500 is not just a powerful truck, but also a responsible and long-lasting choice. On the assembly line, all the parts of the Ram 1500 come together with precision and expertise to create a complete and capable truck. The process begins with the chassis assembly, where robots and skilled technicians work together to install suspension and drivetrain components. This foundation is critical to ensuring the truck's durability and smooth handling. Once the chassis is complete, the painted cab and truck bed are carefully mounted onto it in the cab and bed installation stage. This step requires precision to align every piece perfectly. Next comes the integration of the powertrain, which includes the engine and transmission. This system is meticulously placed into the steel frame, connecting the components that deliver the Ram 1500's impressive power and performance. This step is essential in preparing the truck for both tough jobs and smooth, reliable rides. The focus then shifts to the interior and wiring, where the truck's cabin takes shape. Seats, dashboards, and advanced technology like touchscreens and entertainment systems are installed with meticulous care. Wiring for the truck's electrical and electronic systems is expertly laid out to ensure everything functions seamlessly. Every detail is designed for comfort, style, and functionality, making the Ram 1500 a pleasure to drive on both highways and rugged trails. Throughout the process, precision engineering ensures that every part fits together perfectly. Robots handle repetitive and high-speed tasks, such as welding and bolting, while skilled workers focus on areas that require a human touch, like inspecting finishes and adjusting delicate components. This harmonious combination of automation and human expertise guarantees that every vehicle meets the highest standards of quality, safety, and reliability. Before a Ram 1500 leaves the factory, it undergoes rigorous quality control measures to ensure it meets the highest standards of performance, durability, and appearance. The process begins with mechanical testing, where every truck is subjected to comprehensive checks on all key systems. The brakes, suspension, and electronics are thoroughly tested to ensure they perform reliably under various conditions. For example, the brakes must demonstrate quick and safe stopping power, while the suspension is tested for durability and smoothness across different terrains. Advanced alignment checks are performed using high-tech sensors to verify that all components are perfectly aligned. Proper alignment is critical for peak performance, ensuring that the truck handles smoothly and safely, whether on the highway or off-road. To ensure the Ram 1500 can handle real-world challenges, simulations replicate extreme conditions like freezing cold, scorching heat, and rough, uneven roads. These tests confirm the truck's ability to perform in harsh environments, guaranteeing dependability no matter where it's driven. Additionally, visual inspections are carried out by trained teams who carefully examine the vehicle for any cosmetic imperfections or anomalies. From the alignment of body panels to the finish of the paint, every detail is scrutinized to ensure the truck meets the highest aesthetic standards. Throughout the assembly process, multiple inspection stations allow technicians to catch and fix any issues, whether they are small details or major components. These layers of testing, alignment checks, and inspections ensure that every Ram 1500 leaving the factory is a reliable, high-quality vehicle ready to deliver top performance and durability for its owners. After production is complete, the Ram 1500 is carefully prepared for delivery. Each truck is cleaned and inspected one final time to ensure it meets all quality standards. Protective covers are added to certain areas, such as the seats and exterior, to prevent any damage during transport. This step ensures that the truck arrives at its destination in perfect condition and is ready for its new owner. The logistics of shipping the vehicle involve a complex and well-organized process. Trucks are loaded onto specially designed carriers that can safely transport multiple vehicles at once. These carriers deliver the trucks to dealerships across the country, ensuring they reach customers quickly and efficiently. For global shipping, the trucks are carefully loaded into containers or onto cargo ships to ensure safe transport over long distances. This logistics system allows the vehicle to reach drivers worldwide, making it a trusted choice for people everywhere. The production of the truck is an incredible journey that combines advanced technology, skilled craftsmanship, and attention to detail. From building the high-strength steel frame in the body shop to adding the finishing touches to the assembly line, every step is designed to create a truck that's powerful, reliable, and built to last. The process wouldn't be possible without the teamwork of highly skilled workers and cutting-edge robotics working together seamlessly. This behind-the-scenes look shows the dedication and innovation that go into making the Ram 1500 one of the best trucks in the world. If you're as impressed as we are by the craftsmanship and technology involved, visit your local Ram dealership to see this amazing truck up close. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more insights into the world of automotive production. Let us know your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more incredible content.